I created my very own ultra-realistic AI fitness influencer. First, take a quick look at what I created, then I'll show you how I did it.
Hi guys, here's a quick workout to help you build that butt. First, barbell back squats, 4 sets of 5. They build the most overall leg strength and I need to stay fresh for them. Second, hip thrusters, 4 sets of 8. Maximum glute squeeze without wrecking my lower back. Third, Bulgarian split squats, 3 sets of 10 each leg. Perfect for fixing imbalances and lighting up the glutes and quads. Last, Romanian deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 for the hamstrings and that glute ham tie-in. That's it. Follow for more.
But that was amazing, right? It looks so realistic. I'm telling you guys, if you show this video to someone, I'm sure they won't be able to tell it's AI at first glance. It's actually that good. And no, I did not use Nano Banana Pro for this. I used something even better. In today's video, I'll show you my entire process so that you can also create your own. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, now the tool I use to create my influencer is called APOB AI. I've been testing this for a while to create some realistic influencers, and this is absolutely mind-blowing. This tool is specifically built for creating AI influencers, and it is trained on millions of influencer datasets, so the results come out almost flawless every single time. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. Now from here, you need to click on Launch App, and it will take you to this main interface. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see influencers created by others. Just look at them. They look so realistic, right? Amazing. And here you can also see some generated videos using these influencers. Let me tell you guys, with this tool, you can make them talk, dance, promote products, use motion capture, and so much more. The possibilities are endless here. Now, this is the influencer I created. Let me show you what I did. To create your influencer, first click on the Train a New Model option. Next, you will see 2 options. You can upload your reference image here, or you can start everything from scratch. I use this option, so let's click on it. Now, here you can see I have generated a few models, and this is the one that I liked. From this section, you can customize your influencer as per your desire. I've used these features for my influencer. You can copy them, or you can set the parameters as you like. Once you are satisfied with your influencer image, you just need to click on Set This as Reference. Then give it a name and description, and you're done. Now, your influencer is trained and ready. Click on it, and it will take you to this page. Now, this is where basically all the magic happens. But first, let me show you how I created the images. Now, remember, guys, this is not the main image of your influencer. This is the reference image, and the images that you will create using this image will become the main images of your influencer. Let's create the image. From here, you can choose from these templates and select the image style, appearance, environment, and even the weather. This makes the process very easy because you really don't need to stress much about the prompt. Now, I went for the realistic image style and didn't really choose any other options because, as you can see, my prompt is very detailed. I created this using ChatGPT, by the way. Next, you can choose the image quantity, aspect ratio, and the output quality. I went with 4K here, and this is the image it has generated. Pretty awesome, right? It looks extremely realistic and high quality. Perfect for making realistic videos. And most importantly, her face is just like the reference image. Everything is perfect. The overall gym vibe, the weights, it looks really believable. I'm telling you, if you show this to someone, they won't be able to tell it's AI at first glance. It's that good. Here's another example. This time I used this prompt and then created the image, and here's the output. As expected, this image also looks outstanding, and the quality and continuity are mind-blowing. But most importantly, if you compare the images, you can see that the face consistency is perfect, which is amazing. And face consistency is the most important part for an AI influencer, and APOB AI absolutely nailed it. Now here you can see there are lots of options available. You can upscale the image, do specific edits, change clothes, and much more. So that is basically how I created all the images for my video. Once the images are ready, let's turn them into video. But first, let me show you my favorite feature of this tool, the motion capture feature. This is going absolutely viral these days, and let me show you how you can do it. So, scroll up, then under the video option, go to edit video. Now here you can see there are so many options available. You can do face swaps, edit styles, change backgrounds, and much more. And this is the motion tool, so let's click on it. Next, you need to upload your reference video. I've uploaded this one. After that, you need to upload your influencer image, or you can choose one from the generated library like this. Let's go with this one. After that, just choose the video quality and click on generate. And this is the output. I'm showing you both side by side. Just look at how well it captures the motion. Incredible. These kinds of videos are going absolutely viral on Instagram, and now you know how you can also create them. Now let me show you one more cool feature that it has, and brace yourself, ladies and gentlemen, because this is gonna blow your mind. It's the edit character feature, and it works like magic. First, choose the edit character feature from here. Then you need to upload your reference video. I've uploaded this one. Next, let's choose the image of our influencer to swap the character in the video. After that, you can choose the video quality. I'll go with Ultra because I want the best possible result. And then simply hit generate. It doesn't take much time to generate, and here is the result. Wow, just look at this, folks. This is amazing. You can see the character has totally been changed, but the motion is perfectly the same as the input video. Now imagine the kinds of amazing influencer content you'll be able to create with this feature. You are only limited by your imagination. Now let me show you how I created the clips for my fitness influencer video. First, you need to go to the image to video option. Then you need to select the influencer image from here. I'll go with this one. Now for the prompt, I'll give a very, very simple prompt like this, because the simpler the prompt, the better the result. Then I'll turn the audio option off because I don't need it. Next, for the quality, I'll go with Ultra with a 10-second duration and hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, just look at how smooth the motion is. She is doing the exercise in perfect form, and the face remains consistent throughout the video. I am truly impressed with this result. Here's another example. Again, I used the same kind of prompt, just changed the exercise name, and this is the output. I won't even say anything, let you guys be the judge. To me, this is an incredible video. So this is basically how I generated all the clips. After that, I added everything into CapCut, did a bit of editing, added a voiceover and background music, and that was pretty much it. So there you have it, folks. Now you know how to create awesome AI influencers and turn them into viral influencer videos. And Apop AI makes everything so easy and convenient for you. Also, for my viewers, they're offering a special discount. Use the code WISE15 and you'll get an instant 15% off on your subscription. So what are you waiting for? Go and try it right now.